If you're learning Python and you're writing loops like this, then you have to stop. Because it might seem the output is correct, but that's the reason it's making you bad at Python. You see, there's a completely new way to think about it and revolutionize your code. So let's get straight into it. For example, you wanted to print every single item in a list. And this code over here, it works. If I run it, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that's the problem here. It works, that's why it's dangerous. Look, you're probably thinking the code is running perfectly, the output is correct, and nothing breaks in the code, there's no error. So you conclude that this is the right way to loop. But you see, Python does not want you to think like this. When you write this, you're not thinking about the values in the list. You're thinking the positions of the values in the list, which over here is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, the index positions. But that's how low-level languages work. If you're using a low-level language, you would do something like this. But Python is a high-level language. So rather than doing this, you could just do this. For item in argument, print item. And if I run this code, it gives us the same output. You see, this is how Python wants you to think. You're not going to care where the thing is or what the thing inside the list is. But you're going to care about the values you're going to print out without knowing the position. And this difference is quite subtle, and it's everything that can make your code way more easier. Now, this type of mindset helps you when you're coding your dictionaries, your file handling, your lists, and other data types too. And it can make a huge deal when you're programming for a project, an app, or even a website. Now, sometimes you do need the index value of the item. And for that, you don't have to use a range function. You can just use a method called as enumerate. So we'll change our code over here to this. For item in enumerate, our argument, print item. And if I run this code, it tells us the exact index position, which is 0, and the item, which is 1. So what this is doing over here is it's telling us the I value, which is inside the ARR or argument, and tells us the proper index value. And item is talking about the items of the list, which gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. This was just one example, but it's a great place to start your journey.